Hello students, hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So students, in our last video we have discussed our third chapter, that is festivals. Today we will discuss the book exercise of the chapter. Before starting the book exercise, let's do a quick revision of the chapter. That is festivals. So students, festivals are special days. These are the time to have fun and feast. In our last video, we have discussed about different kinds of festivals that are celebrated in our country. And the first one is Diwali. So children, Diwali is a festival of lights. On the day, people worship the goddess Lakshmi and the Lord Ganesha. Then people decorate their houses with lights and diyas. They wear new clothes. They distribute sweets to their neighbors and they burst crackers also. The second one is Holi. It is the festival of colors. People play with colors on this day. Children love to sprinkle colors on their friends and their relatives. The third one is Eid. Eid is celebrated as the end of the holy Ramadan month. On this special day, people prepare different kinds of sweets at their home. On this day, people wear new clothes, they go to the mosque and they hug each other and exchange greetings. After that, they give food, money and clothes to the poor and the needy people. The next one is Guru Nanak Jayanti. It is the birth anniversary of the first Sikh Guru, that is Guru Nanak Dev, who is also known as the founder of Sikhism. This festival is also called Gurpurab. On this special day, Gurudwaras are decorated with different kinds of colorful lights, and at many places langars are also organized. The last one is Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December to feel the great joy of the birth of Jesus Christ. People decorate the Christmas tree, then they light up their houses and they sing the Christmas carols together. Santa Claus is said to bring gifts on the night before this festival. So students, now let's discuss the book exercise of this chapter. Listen students, all of you take out your book 2, pencil and your eraser. Now turn over the page and look at page number 2. Here you see one exercise is there and the question is, don't these pictures remind you of some festivals? Unscramble the letters to form the names of those festivals. One is done for you. Now all of you look at this picture. Here the first one is Gulal with Pichkari. Second one is mosque. Third one is diya and crackers. And the fourth one is Santa Claus. Now see all of you. Here the first one will be Holi. So all of you write down H-O-L-I, Holi. Second one is already done, that is Eid, E-I-D. The third one will be Diwali, D-I-W-A-L-I. And the last one is Christmas, C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S, Christmas. Now see students, in the box 2 more questions are there, and the first one is, which is your favorite festival? And the second one is, which is the most famous festival in your region? So children, in the answer number 1, you can write the name of the festival you like the most. It may be Holi, Diwali, Eid, Christmas or Gurpurab. Understood all of you? And second one is, that is, which is the most famous festival in your region? In our region, that is in Assam, Bihu is the most famous festival. So the answer will be like this. Bihu is the most famous festival in our region. Now all of you take out page number 6. Here you see question number A is fill in the blanks. Number 1 is festivals are the times to feast or sleep, and the answer will be feast. Question number 2 is people organize langars on Christmas or Gurpurab. Here the correct answer will be Gurpurab. Third one is people decorate their houses with diyas and lights on Holi or Diwali, and the answer will be Diwali. Fourth one is Christmas is celebrated on the 25th of December or January, and the answer will be December. And the last one is Eid or Gurpurab marks the end of a month-long fasting and praying, and the correct answer will be Eid. Question number B is write yes or no. Here one number is festivals bring friends and families together, and the correct answer is yes. 2 number is Guru Nanak Dev is the founder of Sikhism. Yes, he is the founder of Sikhism, so the answer will be yes. Third one is Sevaiya are made on Holi. No, Sevaiyas are made on Eid, so the answer will be no. Fourth one is the birth of Jesus Christ is celebrated as Christmas. Yes. And the last one is on Eid Santa Claus is said to bring gifts. No, Santa Claus used to bring gifts on Christmas, so the answer will be no. Question number C is list 3 festivals that you enjoy the most. So students, here you have to write the name of 3 festivals that you like and enjoy the most. It may be Holi, Diwali, Eid, Gurpurab or Christmas. Understood? Now question number D is read the clues and identify the festivals. Here question number 1 is we light diyas on this day, and the answer is Diwali. Question number 2 is people play with colors on this day, and the correct answer is Holi. Question number 3 is Santa Claus is said to bring gifts on the night before this festival, and the answer is Christmas. Question number 4 is this festival marks the end of Ramadan. So students, here the answer will be Eid. And the last question is Guru Nanak Dev was born on this day. Guru Nanak Dev was born on Guru Nanak Jayanti or Gurpurab. Understood all of you? So students, learn this book exercise nicely at your home. Thank you.